right, hey kids, welcome to section 4.5, Bank Statement Reconciliation. This section is all about reconciling a check register with a bank account statement. So what do you think might happen if you forget to record bank charges? Well, one of the things might be that you try to spend money that you don't have, and then you'll overwrite a check, and then you'll get charged for it, and then it's a big mess. So it's really, really important that you know how much money you have in the bank and how much money you can spend. That way you don't make a silly mistake. So when you receive your bank statement, you're going to reconcile or compare it with your check register to be sure they coincide or agree. So you're going to have on the table in front of you your check register on one side, your bank statement on the other side, and then we're going to reconcile them, which means make sure that they're the same. You may find some deposits or outstanding checks in your register that are not listed on your statement. This happens because the bank had not posted, which means recorded, processed, or cleared them by the statement date. So let's say your bank mails you a statement on Monday, but you write a check on Tuesday to pay the gas bill, and your statement comes on Wednesday. Well, in your check register, you're not going to have that check in there anymore, but your bank statement says you will. So it's important to match up. It's also important for you to keep your bank account records accurate and up to date. You do not want to write a check for more money than you have in your account. If you do, you will overdraw the account and will be charged a penalty. And we don't want that. So to reconcile our checking account, we're going to take our statement balance. We're going to subtract any outstanding checks, payments, or debits. That would be the situation that I just talked about, how your bank mails you a statement Monday, but you mail off a check Tuesday and you get your statement Wednesday in the mail. Or outstanding deposits. This would go like the bank sends you your statement on Monday, but on Tuesday you deposit your paycheck, and then Wednesday you get your statement in the mail. So it's important to match them up. So here's one example of a reconciliation statement, and these are usually found on the back of your bank statements. So when you get your bank statement in the mail, if you flip it over, this is usually on the back. So Lee's check register balance is $8,754.33. His bank statement claims his balance is $10,714.26. So his bank statement thinks he has about $2,000 more than he really does. He notes that the bank paid him $345 in interest and deducted a 50-cent service charge for bill payment. He finds these outstanding checks and deposits. Reconcile the statement by filling in the missing information. Okay, so there's a lot of numbers going on here, but let's just go piece by piece. So his check register balance is $8,754.33. His bank statement claims his balance is $10,714.26. Oh, my bad. That has to go in the next box. So $10,714.26. He notes that the bank paid him $345 in interest, so that can go here. Deducted 50 cents in service charge, so that can go here. Here are outstanding checks and deposits. So the outstanding checks are going to be listed here. We can list them as check number 979, which was $650.84. Check number 981 was for $1,456.89. There's an outstanding deposit of $150.75. And now we're going to reconcile. So basically what we want to do is we want to figure out what the new balance is down here and what the adjusted balance is down here and make sure that those match. Well, service charges are money taken away from your account. and interest is money added to your account. So over here on the left, we want to take the 8754.33, subtract the 50-cent service charge, add the $345 in interest, and you get $8,757.28. On the other side, we are starting with $10,714 on our bank statement. We have these two outstanding check payments or deposits. We put their total in this box. So if we add these two checks together, we get $2,107.73. And then we have this outstanding deposit. So if there was another one, I would also add it together, but there isn't. So we're going to subtract our outstanding checks. We're going to add our outstanding deposits and then see what we get. So if we take this 10,714.26, subtract this 2,107.73, add the 150.75, you get $8,757.28. And oh my gosh, would you look at that? This new balance and this adjusted balance should be the same. If they're not the same, then you did something wrong in your math. But those two should be the same. So these two right here should be the same. That's how you reconcile. Okay. So let's look at another one. So here's an example of, it says use Tina Weaver's monthly statement and check register to reconcile her account. So this is her statement up here. We've got her account number, when the statement was for, her starting balance. We have some withdrawals, we have some deposits, we have an ending balance and a starting balance, and then we have a piece of her checkbook. So first we need to know what the ending balance on this statement is. Well, the ending balance on the statement is right here. I don't have to do anything. So that would be $1,434.19. Letter B says, what is the total of the outstanding deposits? Well, we need to figure out what the deposits are that are outstanding and which ones are not. So what we're going to do is we're going to match them up, and then we're going to put in this column here whether they've cleared or not. So $79 was right here, so that's good. Then we have a deposit of $600. Okay, that's good. Then we have a withdrawal of $51.10. Then we have a withdrawal of $12. Here. Then we have a withdrawal of $133.81. Then we have a deposit of $250 and a withdrawal of $11.40. So what that means is this check right here and this check right here and this deposit right here are not on the statement. And so that's what we have to reconcile. So the total of the outstanding deposits, well, that's just $700. What is the total of the outstanding withdrawals? So that would be these two checks right here. So 50 and 39. What is the revised statement balance? So if I take the $1,434.19, add the outstanding deposits, and subtract the outstanding withdrawals, I get 2045 and 19 cents. Letter E, what is the balance in the check register? Oh, look at that, $2,045.19. Does the account reconcile? And the answer is yes. Since those two values are the same, our statement balance and our check register balance are going to reconcile and be the same. All right. Well, let me know if you have any questions. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.